Greetings, my name is Rodrigo Sakawi, and I'm going to present the project Inclusive Astronomy in Guatemala, which was funded by UAD. So I would like to start letting you know what is Guatemala. Guatemala, it's a small country. The name comes from the Nahuatl Guatemala, which means place of many trees. We are located in Central America. We are a small country with a population of around 17 million persons and with an area of around 110,000 kilometers square. Even though we are a small country, well, we have different cultures. We are a very rich country in that sense. We have more than 23 languages, from which Spanish is the main language. But we are also proud because we have more than 23 more Mayan language and Amerindian languages in our country. So just some numbers quickly. We have a high illiteracy rate, around 20%, which is one of the highest number in the region. Of the Guatemalan persons, around 5% have some form of visual impairment, around 3% have some form of hearing impairment, and of the population, around 2 million of persons are from communities with Spanish, with the languages different from Spanish than Spanish. And also remember that the access to science and culture is expressed in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. We started this project. We are very happy. We have a big team, which is multidisciplinary and which is a quite diverse team, including graphic design, mathematics, biology, chemistry, physics, philosophy, astronomy, of course, and of course, many, many volunteers. So the four key lines of this project and activities were the design of our games, development of videos, development of science stories, and workshops for mainly for kids in rural areas. So we have developed four board games. Two are completely finished. The first one is a memory game, which consists of 16 pairs of astronomical objects. One of the cards will be having the image, the other one will be having the information. So as they have fun, they can also learn about astronomy. The other board game that is already almost finished is called Journey to the Center of the Galaxy, which consists in a 2 to 4 players game that they begin in the spiral arm, a journey to the center of galaxies, passing through two galaxies, and then reaching the central black hole of the galaxy. It is intended that this game lasts 30 minutes per game, more or less. There are also two more other games in the way. The first one is the Cosmic Checkers, which is a mixture between classic checkers and astronomical information. It will be an recreational game because as you eat, you are growing, like in astronomy, and you are becoming having more gravity, you can eat more. So having more mass, you can eat more. So that's the idea of the Cosmic Checkers. And also the other one is an astronomical questionnaire in which if you answer correctly, you will go forward, and if you don't answer correctly, you will go backward. So those are the two more games that are being developed. Also, we have developed a video which will be hosted in YouTube. The video is about black holes. It is in Spanish, but with subtitles in Quiché and Cachiquel, to the First Nation languages talked in Guatemala. And also now we are creating the version in Cachiquel, so the video will be fully in Cachiquel for all the persons that are Cachiquel speaking. And also we are developing a science story for a book. This will be the second book of our team. I mean, the first one was a book of mathematics in Quechua, another of the First Nation languages in Guatemala, and now another book is being developed, including stories of science, different science for this book. And finally, of course, one of the key ingredients is to interact with the communities. And we have been developing workshops in rural areas, especially for kids, and some of them actually especially for girls. And these are really enrichment activities. We have a lot of fun, and the kids really are enjoying the workshop of astronomy and watching through telescopes, and these kind of activities are really important for them. And about the continuity of the project, well, fortunately, we have received more funding now from the National Science Secretariat of Guatemala. We are also extending to another science, developing material in biology and chemistry. Also, we are generating 3D material for persons with visual impairment, and all the material and the information will be shared in the webpage of the Guatemalan Academy of Natural, Physical, and Medical Sciences. So thank you. There is my email in case you have any question. And also, I would like to take the OID for all the support to develop this project.